I'm Haley. So today we're just going to be showing you his his dog and his neighbor's dog, which is 5 months old.
Yeah.
5 months old, and then his dog is 4 years old. His name is Camo and Hazel. Hazel's is the one that's 5 months old, and Camo is the one that's 4 years old.
And we're just really going to be showing just kind of like a vlog.
And they're both Great Pyrenees, full-blooded.
I'll put a picture of them at the end of the video.
No, we're showing them.
Yeah, but I'll put a picture so y'all can get a better look. And we're just going to be doing a vlog. We're going to be eating breakfast, and we never went really deer hunting this morning. We went yesterday, but we slept in this morning. So, alright, so I guess that's really it for this scene.
And we just woke up.
Yeah, we just woke up.
Well, I just woke up.
So we're really
Because
tired.
we went to bed at 1 o'clock in the morning.
Deuces.
So hey guys, we're just going to show y'all what we are eating and stuff. We are eating biscuits and gravy, eggs, bacon, and sausage.
And then she has milk and I have chocolate milk.
Yeah. So,
Yeah. We'll show y'all the clip of our dogs.
in a minute. Well, in a second for y'all. Bye. Hey guys, so this is Hazel.
Hazel.
Not any of our dogs, and she's sitting on me.
Oh, look at her.
She's so cute. This is Hazel. It's Colton's next door neighbor's dog.
Our dog isn't really anywhere. I don't even know where he is. But yeah, so I guess that's really our dog. Just look how cute
We'll
she
show
is.
you Camo in a minute.
Oh, look at the camera. She's really cute. So we'll just pick you guys back up in a sec. Just look. Really cute. Haley just went inside. Oh, look at her. She's coming up to me. Haley just went inside to get a bigger jacket. So, yeah.
So, guys, hi.
Right now, we're on the side by side.
Yeah, and it's kind of wet because of the dew that, just...
We can't find Camo, so we'll just put him in. We'll just put a picture at the end of the video.
And we might be able to find him in a minute, though. He should be coming back. He might be looking for Hazel, which we just showed y'all her.
Yeah. So,
Whenever we find him, whenever he comes back, we'll show you him. But if he doesn't, we're just...
and also yesterday, Haley was shooting her deer rifle, well, not hers, but her cousin's getting ready for deer season.
My brother's.
Brother. My bad. And, yeah, so, yeah, I'll roll that clip in 3, 2, 1. Hi.
So guys, we finally found Camo. We settled him down, but now he just ran back with Hazel to the house.
I'm just gonna end this clip real fast, and then we'll show y'all them in 3, 2, 1. Well, here they are.
This
Camo.
is Camo. Look at it's Camo.
Look at the vlog.
And
Look at the vlog.
He does have blood on him, but it was from my dad's deer.
Yep. So,
Because we tried to keep him away from when they were skinning it, but he wouldn't. And he kept licking it and getting all in it.
Camo, come here. Look at the vlog, Bubba. Look.
See, he's a Great Pyrenees. So cute. And this is Camo.
And that's the smaller one, Hazel, that we were talking about.
Because look,
And that's the bigger one.
And we can prove it. Because she has a pink color. He has a orange color.
Yeah.
Which I can't get because all of his hair.
But yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope y'all liked it. It was just kind of like a vlog.
Or not.
And let's get Camo in the outro. Camo, uh-oh. look at him. Camo, look up here.
Camo.
Oh,
Okay.
he just wants the attention.
Oh, he's so sweet.
Alright, so this is the outro. Hazel's right there. And so yeah, this was just like a vlog. Hope y'all liked it. And I guess peace out. January, the next video in January, everything's coming, thumbnails, outro, everything that y'all been wanting to see. And also this I think the only 2 videos we're gonna be able to film after this in December. Right now it's December the 8th. Only 16 more days till Christmas. So that's really exciting. Actually 17, but and so we're going to be filming a Christmas vlog too. So yeah, I guess that's it. This is going to wrap it up for this video. Peace out. See a little peace out. Come on. Hazel. Back right there. And then Camo. Peace out.